Welcome back to ZR2 Truck Blue 1955, and today we're diving into a machine that blends classic attitude with rugged capability. This truck carries the unmistakable charm of mid-century American design, and even after all these decades, the 1955 Blue ZR2 styled build still commands attention wherever it goes. From the moment it appears, the bold stance and rich blue paint set the tone for a timeless truck that has been restored and modified to stand proudly in the modern era. It's a vehicle that tells its story through metal, curves, and power, and today we're exploring exactly what makes it so special. The exterior of this 1955 build instantly captures the spirit of old-school toughness. The deep blue finish gives it a sharp personality, and the way it reflects light brings out every classic line that made trucks from this era iconic. The front end showcases that vintage wide grille look, with chrome accents that highlight the craftsmanship of the period. The round headlights tie the whole face together, giving it a confident and unmistakable presence that stands apart from anything made today. The body remains true to its original silhouette, but the wider stance and raised posture create that ZR2 inspiration, adding a layer of off-road capability and modern aggression. Moving along the sides, the smooth steel fenders and doors carry that classic curvature that enthusiasts love. The elevated ride height, chunky off-road tires, and upgraded wheels bring a rugged edge that transforms this 1955 truck into something ready for both daily use and weekend adventure. The contrast between old-school metalwork and the newer performance-focused suspension components gives it a unique hybrid feel, part vintage showpiece, part modern trail machine. The bed retains the original proportions, with clean lines and a durable finish, reminding you that this truck wasn't just built for beauty but for real utility too. Every inch of the exterior speaks to durability and deep character, something modern trucks often try to replicate but rarely match. Underneath the classic styling is performance that feels far more advanced than anything from the 1950s. This build embraces strong, reliable power that brings the truck into a new era. Whether it's powered by a modern V8 crate engine or a well-restored original block that's been tuned for better output, the result is a bold, responsive driving experience. Acceleration feels purposeful, backed by a satisfying engine note that mixes classic rumble with modern refinement. The upgraded suspension, inspired by ZR2 performance approaches, delivers impressive stability on rough terrain and a smooth, composed ride on the road. It handles corners with confidence, feels planted at higher speeds, and takes bumps with ease thanks to improved shocks and reinforced components. This truck doesn't try to compete with today's high-tech machines, it brings a different kind of experience. The steering is direct, the power delivery is engaging, and the feel of the road is more connected. It's a driving style that reminds you why vintage trucks still have such strong appeal. They're honest, mechanical, and full of personality. Yet with the mix of modern enhancements, this 1955 Blue truck becomes something far more usable and versatile than the original ever was. Whether cruising through town or tackling light trails, it brings performance that respects its heritage while embracing modern capability. Inside, the cabin keeps things simple and tasteful. You get that retro charm with classic gauges, metal accents, and a straightforward layout that reflects the era. The seating feels more comfortable than factory thanks to updated materials, subtle bolstering, and improved cushioning. The steering wheel maintains its old-school look, but works seamlessly with the upgraded mechanical components beneath it. The interior stays true to the vintage theme while blending in just enough modern touches to make daily driving enjoyable. Every detail gives you a sense of stepping back into the 1950s, but with comfort and reliability that fit today's expectations. This 1955 Blue ZR2 style truck is more than just a restored vehicle, it's a statement. It brings history, power, and craftsmanship into one unforgettable package. If you love tough vintage trucks with modern performance, this one deserves every bit of attention it gets.